Good morning, everyone. Trading is very easy because most of the traders are programmed to think in a certain way, either psychologically, emotionally, with a lot of affirmation. So, this is new trading view. If you open a chart in a trading view, like as you see on my screen, this is Euro NZD. For instance, from there you can see that this one is a head and shoulder, where we have the head at 2.07 and the shoulders lie at 2.04. So across the globe, most of the individuals, most of the traders think that this is a sell opportunity. In short, the information printed on this screen shows that everyone has one thing in mind around the world, that they should be shorting this currency. But unfortunately, who are they selling to, or where are they selling? First, we know that we rely on information printed on these charts. So any information printed on this chart decides, or rather influences, how we think and how we execute our trades, or on which basis you trade. So meaning, for instance, if I want to induce either a supply or demand, the first thing I should do is first sell that information on these charts. But what if I tell you that this is a trap? So from this chart you can see a lot of liquidity, sell liquidity is being generated. So meaning this mostly the work of the market makers, which are the professional traders who spend 90% of the time making markets for their clients. So this means that whatever they are doing here, or whatever is being done here, it's programming people to decide in a certain way. In short, it's directing people to take, since you cannot take my dollars or either my euros or my gold from my account, you have to make sure you have to influence my decisions by giving me a clear setup as follows, as we can see from the charts, and then from there I can execute my trades willingly, but towards your favor. So in short, the market makers are trying here to find sellers for their clients, either on agency risking, or either by not injecting any capital, not using their own capital. So in my case here, I'll be waiting this head and shoulder to be broken from the neckline, and then below the neckline at 2.00, that's where the real demand is. That's where you buy at a discount. That's where you execute these trades.